There's something taking place in schoolboy football that is worth highlighting. Another manifestation of the unorthodox structure of Jamaican football. Remember the recent narrative that the outstanding young Jamaican talent should not be playing schoolboy football. Manning and the Costa Cup cannot help their development. Instead, top players should join academies and clubs and play big man football to enhance and accelerate their progress. But Manning and the Costa Cup, a waste of time for them. Well, fast forward to 2022, a proliferation of academies now churning out players in both the Manning Cup and the Costa Cup. Indeed, academies are teaming up with certain schools, providing more and more players trying to win the big schoolboy football prizes. Of course, there is no National Youth League, and when the youngsters are in the academies, there are no competitions to play. Schoolboy football provides that platform and showcases better players and better football. But with a wider picture in sight, is this a good thing or a bad thing for the development of our football? Me not sure.